Hello everyone, we are at the Wrap Party 2022 and I'm joined by Mattia from APA or APA if you're in Europe, and you guys just won what award?
Yeah, it's crazy. We just won this Wrap Color of the Year, so we're really excited about. We not expected. We know we are really pushing a lot, developing new colors, especially this time that is hard for everybody.
Absolutely.
To get the material. Luckily, the team in Italy is pushing really hard, and we were able to make this award that, again, all the team is like super happy.
It's really cool. And the color you won with this year, what's the name of this color?
Gloss Halo Lavender that we have also in satin finish.
Yeah.
This year was really a popular color. It was a color that was highly requested from our customers. In the beginning, we were like, seriously, it's not like a little bit too bold, and no, it was the right choice.
You know, we were lucky with the wrapping suit. We made the product and promo video for you guys. So we actually wrapped the car. We saw it in person. I remember Reiner called me because I wasn't there. He said, this color is amazing. But not only is the color amazing, your material is actually really good. This is a reformulation.
Yeah, this is the new technology, so it's the Ultrajet. It has two features. So one is the adhesive, that is the Ultrajet, so it's slidable and pressure sensitive, so it's really user friendly, so it's super quick to install. And the other feature is the PET liner protection that make the color super gloss. And you know, everybody now is asking for gloss colors, and for cast material in the market there is not really a lot of option that with a nice gloss color, and this has that characteristic too.
Nice. So not only did this material win Color of the Year, but it's actually much better to install than your previous version.
Oh yeah, definitely make the installation more enjoyable. I always say that when I use the old technology, I have to be focused on exactly what I'm doing. When I'm using the new technology, I can think about my girlfriend and everything goes fine with no problem. So
if you can think about your girlfriend while you're wrapping, you hit the bullseye. For sure. So very cool. Congratulations on the color.
Again.
Congratulations on everything. You guys are doing great stuff, and I look forward to 2023.
Yes, man. You don't know what we have ready for you.
Awesome. Very cool. Ciao.